Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is how would you describe freedom in your own words? How would you describe freedom in your own words? Freedom. We all love freedom, right? The freedom to do things that we want. But what exactly freedom mean? If I talk about myself, the freedom means everything to me. Freedom means that I am free to do things and it is not enforced upon me. I'm able to make my own choices, whether in this country, whether the matters pertains to my life. Mostly it pertains to my life when I talk about freedom. Although we live in this world, we say then India is a free country. Maybe, but when we go deeper, maybe like in any part of the world, right? We say that uh, the country has a democracy, everybody's freedom, they have their freedom. But we need to deep dive because freedom can be a bit different. You can be free very, in the eye of the world, but you might not be. There are many parts of the world where you are not free to choose even your life partner. Would you call that freedom? Is it important? I see that choosing life partner is a very important decision in your life. And what happens? You are not free to do that. Even in India, we most people are not free to choose their life partner. That that is not a true sense. That is not a freedom in true sense, in my opinion. Freedom means the world to me. And freedom means that we are free to make our own choices. We are free to express our views. We are free to express what I feel right now. It's very important. And so, what does freedom word mean to me? Freedom means you are free to make your own choices, be it in any uh, part of the life, whether choosing your life partner, whether eating, whether expressing your views, whether practicing your religion, whether practicing your faith, whether not believing in something. That's all. Everything comes into the freedom. But when we talk about the freedom, we also need to understand that we do not, we understand truly. And with that great power comes a great responsibility. You are not free to kill, right? You are not free to slap anyone and because you enjoy it. It's very important that while we have the freedom, we have to be responsible for it. So, in my opinion, that's the views that I wanted to put. Thank you. Over to you.